Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Basic Mathematics. And for today's video, we're gonna focus on how to subtract integers. So we know what is integers, right? Then in subtracting integers, we have rules we're gonna follow. So the rule is same sign subtract automatically. When different sign, we need to apply keep, change method. So in this case, we need to follow these rules to get the answer of our integers in subtracted. Then for example, if we have negative 5 minus negative 3, according to the rule, we need, if the same sign, we need to subtract automatically. Then, negative 5 minus negative 3 is negative 2. So, the answer is negative 2 because we're gonna copy the sign of our two integers. Then, next one is negative 10 minus negative 6. Then, our answer obviously is negative 4 because we need to subtract automatically and copy the sign of our two integers, and that is negative. Then negative 7 minus negative 6, same process, so no, so the answer is negative 1. Then different different method we're going to use if our integers is different. So if different integers we're going to subtract, we need to apply the keep change method. So in this case, we need to keep the first term, so that is negative 5. Then, so according to the method, so keep, we need to keep the first term, and that is negative 5. Then our operation is negative. So we're gonna we're gonna change that into positive. So from negatives to positive. So our operation is negative 5 plus negative 5 plus negative 5 because our second term is positive. So according to the rules, keep change method, so then we need to change the sign of our second term, and that is negative 5, and that will be negative 10. So negative 5 plus negative 5 is negative 10. Then in this problem, we're gonna change the sign. Oh no, rather, we're gonna keep the sign of negative 5. So negative 5, then change the operation, and that is negative, it will become positive. Then keep change the sign of the second term, and that is negative 6. That will become, positive 6. So our operation right now is 5 plus 6. So obviously the answer is positive 11. Then I have for this moment to check your understanding from me. So I have here different problem on how to subtract integers. So just try it from your own, and I know you'll learn from me. Then that's all for this video, guys. I hope you learn from me. Then thank you for watching, everyone. God bless.